What the flip?
Okay, like I told y'all, we gonna get into it. Just a little my side of shit that I like to look at. MambaFx turns $5. Right, he turned $5 into a whole rack in 4 days trading Forex. If you ask me personally, do I think it's possible? Hell yeah, I think it's possible with the right compound and with the right mindset. Right, you know what I'm saying? So, MambaFx. Crazy, man.
A crispy 5. Wow. I'm gonna show you guys what you could do with one of these. You ever find one of these in the streets? You do a lot with this. I'm gonna show you guys how. Okay.
He putting y'all on game, bro. And I understand all this shit.
$5 account. I'm gonna be flipping it fast, hard, just the way your girl likes it. I was trading on my phone. I ended up selling Euro USD. I closed it right away. So we're taking an 8-cent loss right off the jump. But for our very first trade, we have finally hit our 1 to 3, and I'm gonna close this trade right here in front of you guys. Starting with $5. Apparently, the commission cost is about 30 cents. And I'm gonna close this position. We've officially turned $5 into $9.10 with our very first trade. All right, so we're going to take another position. Here's our second trade of the day. We're taking a buy position on gold. We're breaking out resistance, as you can see, but we're also trending to the upside.
He getting into a lot all at one time. I need to know what time it is. I know he probably out there in California. New York session is not until 9 a.m. over here on the East Coast. So it could be still dark at 6 a.m. on the West Coast, right?
In a bullish market. I'm gonna go and take my buy position here. Hopefully it lets me trade.
See, can I get a
I
time?
really don't want to miss out on this trade because we're already pushing. Oh my God. We're not going to be trading gold because we don't have enough margin to trade gold. Meaning I have to now go find a Forex pair to trade to even make this flip work. We are officially pushing out on GBP USD. Oh, it's moving fast. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take a buy here on GBP USD. Yes, order has been filled. I would love to be able to take 0.02 down. Oh my God, it worked. We are currently at a 0.02 on GU. This is a big boy trade now. This is gonna be a rough challenge and it's gonna take a lot of time, but we're gonna just suck it up and do it.
Day 2. Damn, I feel like he just throwing a lot at us at one time, so he couldn't trade gold. He had to go to the foreign exchange pairs. I trade gold personally. That's my thing. Only pair that I mean the only market, the only chart that I look at, right? Would I ever do a $5 to $1,000 challenge? I'll try that shit for y'all.
Okay, so I want to recap the account so far. We've only taken about 3 trades, as you can see. GJ, GU, and then
probably not $5. Probably like $100. I probably want to start with more. Start with a little bit more room, but I done seen him do it. MambaFx, we witnessing him. I done seen Doyle do it. I done seen Ty do it. Yeah, it's pretty. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of examples of foreign exchange traders flipping small accounts to large numbers.
Overall, we have turned the account from $5 to $15.50. You can see the $5 deposit. So we have a $5 deposit. We have financing and commission charges all throughout. That's just what happens when you use a broker. Looks very smooth. Okay, so we are up about $5. It has melted, as I said, $4 and $5 melted even more. Another $4.78 added to the account. As you can see, we have now flipped it from $5 to $20 on a beautiful, beautiful impulse move retracement. Okay, so I've spent the last 16 hours or so literally sitting here looking at the charts, super low time frame scalping, NASDAQ, finishing up on GJ.
Now that shit sounds like hell. I don't do that, bro. I'm a day trader. I catch my setups off the day charts. You know what I'm saying? The big boy movers. It give you more patience, bro. It give you more time to think. I feel like
US 30.
I like to hold trades over the courses of days type shit.
They're officially at $122 with 69 cents. 69 cents.
God damn. Just off scalping. So the last day he was $20. He done flipped it to a $1.20. Now he about to just start going crazy.
So here's what it kind of looked like over the past 16 hours or so. We had an $8 win, closer to $9. $12 win. We then had a $10 win. We had a $20 win, which was our big win last night. And then we followed it up by a multi-magnitude of trades that ended up being $51 worth of profit. Current time is 10:43 a.m. We've taken a few trades since then. And just to recap the trades that we've pretty much taken since we last spoke this morning. So we had a $39 win, followed by our biggest win of the challenge at $77 while selling NASDAQ, a beautiful scalp, a beautiful break to the downside. So I think I'm gonna take a buy here.
Man, what the fuck? Man. That's beautiful, bro.
Our gold, we're going to do a 0.10 if it allows it. I'm going to take this buy. What happens? Okay. We are currently at $236 with 74 cents on the account. All right. Well, it's reversing.
All right. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's why I'm looking at the chart. Like, you would buy this? This don't look like no setup that you would buy. We're going to break it down here. 15-minute chart gold. Price is at an area of resistance, historical resistance. You see the confirmation candlestick print right here. It comes to do the structures and consolidation on the 15-minute. 15-minute candlestick closes up here. Meets again at the top. Now this looks like a selling signal, so I don't know. I wouldn't have bought this unless it broke into the fair value gap above this candlestick, right? And I had to close above this candlestick. In order for me to hop into this buy, it have to close above this candlestick into this fair value gap, showing, you know what I'm saying, bullish trend and shit. Yeah, but no, I wouldn't have bought off of this. This is, yeah.
$6 with 74 cents on the account. All right, well, it's reversing, and I'm gonna close it about $12.50. Right. First loss of the fucking challenge, man. $12 is not a bad loss. Puts us back at 224. I was trying to get to 250 before we started to go into that very slow period of the day. Okay, so it's officially nighttime. I only ended up taking 2 more trades. As you can see, we firstly took a US 30.
He unhinged too, just trading all throughout the day. I don't like that. I done been there, done that. Trading US 30, I stay away from US 30. I do not hit up US 30 at all. NASDAQ is true, but it's I'm staying away from that too. You know what I'm saying? It's true, but I'm staying away from that too.
Cleared $82. Finally saw another good setup, which was a pre-breakout that I took at about 5 o'clock. Just closed recently. And that was a $35 sell on US 30. So the overall account is officially at $341 with 17 cents.
I mean, my nigga, bro, that's a phone bill. You could take out that bread, do a little, you know what I'm saying, bro, this shit. Sway charts. I might upload me a little 5-bar.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put a sell order in here for a 0.20. We will see what happens. As you guys can see, currently up $66.
Fuck it. You know what? After this video, I'm gonna fund me a little $5 account. Sway markets.
Move. All right, we're gonna close this. I'm officially going to close this trade at $95. That's the biggest trade we've had. We have turned $5 into $434. Perfect timing, perfect timing. Okay, yes, please. No, oh, it worked. So we are currently selling US 30, 0.15. All right, I'm gonna be closing this trade right here at about $191 for that trade.
Nah, he not getting it. Okay, the trade. I was about to say, bro, you got to get into the setups. Nah, you got to get into the setups.
That's where we're at. Turned $5 to $626 so far. It's moving pretty smooth, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a US 30 position right here once again. Current balance is $626.47. We're gonna shoot a little Halloween shoot, and then we're gonna hit the strip, do some things today. But I wanna hop in this trade, let this run.
So I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade right here. We're at $129 in profit. So let's go to our positions, because we'll go ahead and close.
In the Maybach.
$30 is what it ends up closing at, putting our total balance at $758. We have 1 loss in this account.
There it is. Now, if it allows me to take a couple here, they've officially bought DAX, German 40. One more push, there it is. So we're gonna close this out We're gonna take our $50 right here, put us at 800 bucks. All right, we're gonna take this trade right here.
5 minutes, bro. That's nasty. Nasty work. You would not catch me. I mean, but if this what it take to flip it in 4 days.
And there we go. We're currently up $75 on this buy. So if we can just get this thing to keep pushing, we can call it a day. I am gonna go ahead and close this trade at about $132. Man, we are working our way up, man. We're working our way up. We started at the fucking bottom, man. Freaking entry and close. One more. There it is.
Hold on, let me analyze this real quick off the 5 minute. I can't say shit, but just know if it passed these and break into this fair value gap up here above these candlesticks,
we're officially in this buy.
we see the confirmation. This is what it is. Come down, hit the area of support, right? Old resistance, new support. Print the confirmation. If this candlestick close above these, he won. Basically, I'm telling y'all how to shit.
Once more. Come on, bro. Okay, we are finally getting ready to close. I still think it could push further, but I'm gonna close here at.
Is that how you did it? Let me see.
I still think it's gonna push.
Yup. Let me see if I can find it. And that's basically what happened, right? Price came up, came down, confirmed. After this confirmation stick right here, all you had to do was hold the buy position, and it broke up. He hit his target. Proper execution, good win. Shout out MambaFx, turning $5 into 1,000. Stick around if y'all want to see some more investment videos from myself coming in the future. I will be doing challenges like this. I've been trading for some years now. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Just stick around, learn more about me and my investment journey. And yeah, man, hopefully I'll see y'all to the top. Hit that like button.